What's up, guys? Harley here with 606 Outdoors. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of creek fishing. We're down here at a creek, Pulaski County. I got with me today my lovely fiance there. Say hi.
Hi.
We got the fish master, Big John, over here.
What up, guys?
All right, today we're just having a little bit of fun. We're gonna throw some different baits, some Ned rigs, some crankbaits, you know, just try to get on these smallmouth rock bass. Just having a good day on the creek. All right, see you guys on the water. All right, guys, we're in the water. I got this little Ned rig bait here from Z-Man. First cast. This bait is a little bit big for the creek, but maybe there's a giant smallie just in here waiting to inhale it, which would be awesome. It's weird because it's brand new. I bought the combo with that one so I could have another reel to go on this rod, but I ended up buying a Shimano reel to go on it. Had a hit right there, but no connection. Oh, there's a giant spider on the end of this stick here. I don't want to go around. Oh, bunch of spiders on the end of this tree. I hate spiders, guys. I hate spiders. Look at that thing. Riddled with spiders. All right, successfully passed the spider tree. Let's see if we can't get him. Nope, didn't want the old Nedley. The old deadly Nedley. Ooh, there's a snake right there. Right under that rock. We're not going to say anything to Becca because she will freak out. We're going to go around him and leave him alone. It's a little water snake. Oh. Hey, babe. Is that your fishing dance?
No, it's called the mosquitoes have eaten my legs dance.
The mosquito dance.
Note to self, don't ever come fishing without your mosquito band. I've probably acquired at least 10 bites of mosquito bites. That is not fish bites. Mosquito bites.
Can I get a mosquito?
They are out there and everywhere. Ain't even.
So what would you say to the viewers here about mosquitoes?
Always wear your mosquito band.
Or mosquito spray, which my lovely lady was so kind to buy us a bunch of the mosquito bands, but we forgot to bring them today. So
Bands are better, in my opinion, just because the spray will wash off as you're, with us we wade in the water and it will wash off in the water. But the bands, they seem to work better, I think, personally, and it keeps the mosquitoes from biting. And I totally forgot them, and I won't do that again.
no mosquitoes.
Because no mosquitoes love me.
We don't love the mosquitoes.
Either get the mosquito band or get canine advantage.
Fights against
mosquitoes.
mosquitoes.
This is not an ad for canine advantage. That you all should look at the canine advantage commercial. That's your dog and his mosquitoes. John, what the crap?
Thanks for waiting on us. Right now we're just walking down the creek. A little bit of shallow spot here. The creek is really far down.
Lay down.
We've had
This tree
Haven't had
is
any
usually
rain.
at least halfway underwater. So this is
really far down.
we have not had very much rain. This girl has been praying for it. Pretty sure you almost caught me falling there. This does not even seem right that this part of the tree is
Not in the water.
underwater. And
Creek's
even,
really far
well,
down.
if you look, you can tell it's went down quite a bit. The water line there kind of came up to here, so even this part of the tree was underwater probably this morning. It's been really hot lately and we've not had any rain. That up there is usually underwater. And yeah.
Got a little
First part of
minnows.
this year, you probably couldn't even see that tree. We had so much rain.
Oh yeah, it was completely washed out down through here.
I think this might be the year for record high water levels.
And record low,
Water levels.
for sure. Pretty good spot to hunt crawdads right here, babe. All those good rocks. Do what? Slow down.
John's just trying to get up there.
Those minnows, guys. Minnows. Sorry. Come on.
There's that darter.
Country accent here. How do you say it, babe?
What?
Is it, do you say minnow or minner?
Minner. But I also like the joke about if you know of a good fishing hole, then let me know.
Ha ha!
Little fishing fun.
Dad joke.
I use the word minnow all the time at work. And all the people know I'm making a fishing joke.
And we love a good joke.
There's somebody's necklace.
A necklace?
Yeah,
River treasure?
I thought it was a snake.
Where?
Right here.
Oh, we found some treasure.
So for all of those of you that don't know,
Ooh. Yeah, that's
it's really gross.
pretty.
Going back
Pretty
to
gross.
this creek.
We'll leave
Harley
that there
proposed to
for
me,
someone else to find.
he set up all sorts of fishing stuff and drew fish and said that he was hooked on me because it was actually about 2 years ago I caught my very first fish when was a red eye in this very creek. And ever since then, it seems like fishing is the #1 thing we do. So we might have to try to figure out how to add a slideshow of some pictures.
Oh yeah, definitely.
And
Definitely some pictures in there. What is that? A big, looks like a white
fish.
sucker.
Yep. We also came to this very creek
With its head gone.
to do our engagement photos.
Check that out. Big white sucker. Yeah. We'll leave that guy there. Be a good meal for the crustaceans. Maybe a raccoon.
That's really gross.
The masked bandit.
They have eaten his head.
Yep. Something has, or somebody cut its head off one. Alright guys, we'll catch back up with you when we get up to the spot. It's definitely shallow. Usually it's about
Neck deep.
neck deep. Not neck deep, but waist deep for you. About
Waist deep for me.
nipple deep for us.
Y'all gotta realize is John is like 6'10". Not really, but it seems like it.
7-foot monster over there. It's barely knee deep on him.
So, I'm gonna get over here for comparison. Of course, it's waist deep for him.
It's not even waist deep, it's up to his knees.
Here I am, waist deep in the middle right now. Normally don't even try to attempt to wade this far.
No, we usually just walk around. Huh. Just scared a big smallmouth. Nope, suckers. White suckers. They're all running around us. I doubt you guys can see them, but got a bunch of white suckers running up through here. Right there, coming toward you. Some big ones.
Coming towards me.
Yep. See him? Big guy right there. Oh! 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 Fish on! Big fish! Big fish! Big fish!
Oh my god. Huh?
Get him out of John. Get him out of John's legs.
Oh God, that's a monster.
Big fish.
Y'all, I'm tripping right now. I don't know what I have.
Ah.
You got all?
Nope, he's still on.
Nope.
He's still on. You got him. Smalley. Nice one. Easy. Easy. Look at that. Look at that monster. Look at that monster.
Y'all.
There you go. Biggest one of the day so far.
Y'all, I ain't never caught a smallmouth this big. Try not to hook myself here. Let me get your pliers here.
Nice.
Big one for the creek.
Nice fish.
Pretty nice smallie, guys. I don't think I have ever caught a smallmouth this big.
PB.
PB in the creek. PB in the creek. All right.
I'm gonna have to get my phone and take a picture of this bad boy.
All right.
I'm trying to hold on to.
All right, guys, we are back. Had to get a release on that guy. Had to get a couple pictures for Becca.
That is definitely a new personal record for me. I have never caught a smallmouth that big, but that's probably my biggest fish from this creek ever. So that was pretty cool. Not gonna lie. I thought I was hooked on John's line or something.
Tell him what you caught it on.
Oh, sorry. I'm a little too excited now. I want to catch another fish. So this right here is what I'm fishing with.
It's a Bomber Fat A crankbait.
It's probably my favorite little one. When we were down here taking engagement photos, I had this on and had thrown it and actually had a fish come up and take it from top water. So it's probably my new favorite bait bait. That was wild.
Well, he catches fish.
Can't believe I just caught that.
I don't know. It's awesome.
I'm gonna be giggling for the rest of this video and I'm gonna apologize now.
Should have just brought the monopod and stuff and just videoed you guys fishing. I haven't caught one.
You ain't caught fish yet?
Nope. I do have a
Oh, there he is.
I do have a giant bait on though. This bait is huge. You got him?
He's swimming towards me.
Up, across. Get him. Get him. Nice rock bass.
Smallmouth that just tried to swallow it.
Nice rock bass. Look at that guy. Of course, John manhandled it and makes it look small. What'd you catch him on?
Ned rig.
Ned rig? And a June bug color? Nice.
Look at that smallmouth right there. I don't know if you can see it on video.
Can't see him on the video.
Oh my God, look at this one.
That's a red or a white sucker. That's probably what both of those was.
He hit that red eye when I was reeling it in.
He did?
Yeah.
That might have been a smallmouth. That's a smallmouth right there.
Smallmouth hit it.
There's some giant white suckers in here. Of course, we don't have anything to catch them with, but
Every time we come, we talk about bringing corn,
I know.
and then we always forget.
I've never fished for him.
So I'm not gonna
I
lie,
haven't.
Harley better buy his own corn to be catching suckers with, because the corn I buy is for dinner.
They're big, ain't they? I snagged one a couple weeks ago when we were down here.
It was wild looking at it. I hadn't ever seen. He probably spent a good hour and a half trying to snag one.
Ah, rock. Thought it was a fish. May have knocked me into it. I mean, the bait I'm using is pretty big though. Probably need to downsize.
If I don't catch anything else.
Probably need to downsize, but
Nah, you can catch a smallmouth with that. Seen the size of that rock bass that the smallmouth tried to eat.
you caught that rock bass on a Ned rig too. It's about the same size body.
I don't believe I caught that.
I know. It's awesome. I'm glad you did. It makes it worthwhile for the trip. I mean, even just if you guys catch fish.
Harley usually prefers I catch a fish over him.
I love it. It's the
Bill
fisherman in
knows
me.
I get mad if he catches and I don't.
It's the fisherman in me, having anybody bring them out, have a good time fishing, and for them to catch a nice fish or a decent fish and them get excited about it. I mean, that's any fisherman's dream, is just to, especially your significant other, you know, to bring somebody out that doesn't really do this a lot or hadn't really done this a lot, and for that person to come out and just slay a nice fish, catch a nice fish, I mean, it's just, it's awesome. I love it.
I never fished until we got together, and now
Now look at her. Out here smacking the smallies. Alright guys, we're up here to this spot. Make a few casts in here. Come right at it. Little guy. Right down on a rock. Oh, I got it. Oh, there he is, finally.
You're gonna have to send me
There he is.
a
Double up.
Doubled? Boom, look at that. Rock bass. Doubled up. Oh, chill out, little guy. All right, doubles. Double rock bass. About the same size, but I think I got you.
Yeah, you got me.
Haha. See you later, dude. What'd she say?
She's like, what kind is it? I don't know anything about fish. There's a whole bunch of little baby fish over here in this little pool.
Little baby fish.
Little baby.
What you got? You got one? Stick? Stick! You're getting pretty good at catching those, John.
Some underwear.
You lost your underwear?
Yeah.
Oh. You should pick them up, maybe have something to change into once we get back to the house.
No,
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
A little one.
He's on again.
Largemouth.
Nope. Smallmouth. There's your dad calling.
Yeah, I know.
Pa-dum, 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 pa-dum.
Well, I'm trying to get it on speakerphone here. Hello.
While she gets situated over there.
I was trying to get you to check your phone.
No. I was in there fixing my plate for supper.
Oh, what are you having?
Crab legs.
Oh.
Mama has some guys selling them. They're out of Bardstown, but they stopped up at Tractor Supply the other day and she had brought crab legs. So
Yeah, no. She said that she got some and I'm going to pick some up tomorrow.
yeah, so
Along with a cantaloupe if there aren't any
yeah.
other takers.
oh yeah. Yep, they are. Mama said there's 4 or 5 of them out there.
Look at that. Nice.
That's a creek?
Release that guy.
Oh, it's a creek.
Uh-huh.
See you later, buddy.
You see a big old catfish up there?
No, I never got the pictures.
Got him. Ooh. Hit. Still got him? Oh, yeah. Nice jump. Oh, I popped right off. Nice. Oop. That was about bad.
What'd you do?
About casting the tree. I'm stick fishing. Hey John, what's brown and sticky?
Tree side.
A stick. Hashtag dad joke.
Y'all, sometimes I find these stupid little jokes a lot funnier than they should be, so I apologize. John, what's red and smells like blue paint?
Red paint.
Woo! Got it.
Becca, what does Y-E-S spell? What does E-Y-E-S spell?
Yes.
We're the ones that caught you in that.
Yes.
You still have it on video where we got Casey like 5 times in a row?
Maybe. What? Gross. Gross. Oh, nibbles. Got him?
Yep.
Nice.
Really?
Nice. Nice. You getting a bite? Ah! Missed him. We didn't get it on camera, but check this out. Look at this red breast, guys.
He took it from the top of the water. If you'd open your mouth and quit twitching, I could get this hook out of your mouth.
Got the pliers? There you go. Got it?
Yep.
All right.
Y'all, this guy, I threw it 2 or 3 times and he kept coming up and smack it on top of the water. And he finally took it.
Top water action with the crankbait. All right. Big enough to lip. Look at that. Big red breast. Nice.
I'm gonna tell your mommy and daddy to come hang out.
Something's bigger than this.
Nice. Fist bump. Are you hanging?
Let me wash him off here.
Nice.
Well,
Jerked it a little too hard that time. Oh, missed it. There you got it. Nice. Awesome. She's wearing them out on that top water action there. Another red breast? Nope. It's a rock bass. Nice. Fat guy. Nice job. Need the pliers?
so I don't hook myself here. He's got it right where he wants to try to hook me with him. The only reason I do not like treble hooks.
Oh, John, got one over there. Little John. Nice.
Thanks, babe. There he is, guys.
Nice rock bass. Awesome.
I have caught a much bigger rock bass out of this little hole here. And that was a day to remember.
Oh, there he is. Oh, what a jumper. Oh, nice. What we got? What do we got? Smalley. Calm down, little guy. On the TRD crawl. Man, that fish really stinks. Alright. Oh, see you later, dude.
The master of tanking takes in this creek today. I'm 2 for 2.
You. Hey, you.
You guys ready to do this?
I managed to keep my phone and my rod and reel above water this time.
Woo! Alright. So, we've had a good day. Caught quite a few fish. Fell a couple times. But we are gonna call it quits on that one, guys. We got a little walk back to the vehicle. Managed to stay above the water to be good. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time, we'll see you on the water.